Proofs of double points form equation. To prove that equation of the line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is as y minus y1 equals to x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. By drawing a graph, by drawing a xy 2D graph as this is y-axis, sorry, and this is x-axis, whereas this is the origin. By this is the line, this is the line, line MN. This is the straight line MN, on which at which a line A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 lies. We should first relate A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, whereas B is x y, which lies at M. Suppose it be the P x. By drawing, first of all, by drawing perpendicular AJ to OX, AJ to X axis, PK to X axis, and sorry, but we should make lump it the X axis, lump BL lump X axis, BL lump X y. So we should write here AJ lump slash OX, PK lump X dash OX, and what BL lump X dash OX, whereas and so that X dash OX AC lump BL, AC lump BL, AC lump BL, and what PB, so PD lump BL, PD lump BL, in course of which the line AC and PK intersect each other by making 90-degree, being parallel, being AC, the line AC and X is parallel to each other at E. Now suppose it be theta, suppose angle N, it intersects at A of angle N F x equals to theta, इसलिए angle B PD equals to angle BPD equals to angle PAE equals to theta. Now taking slope by US and using the slope formula in the triangle BAC, इसलिए so that tan theta equals to BC by AC, BC, it becomes theta and it also becomes theta, BC by AC, इसलिए whereas since tan theta is known as rise upon run, so that M equals to BC, it is BC, it is BC. BC is equal to y2 minus y1, and AC it is AC is equal to x2 minus x1, so that BC equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. By taking it as equation 1, again in in right angle triangle BPD, tan theta equals to BD by BD by PD, because this is rise, and this is run. So BD equals to since tan theta is known as slope, which is denoted by m, equals to BD upon PD. The BD means y2 minus y2 minus y here, and it becomes x2 minus x, y2 minus not y2 minus y by x2 minus x, by this becomes second by mixing first and second, or by doing IA minus I, it becomes y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It becomes m minus m equals to, first of all, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x minus what plus y. It becomes like this, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Easily it goes out, and by doing this, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 on both sides, plus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It becomes y2 minus y by x2 minus x equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x. इसलिए y minus y2 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Sorry, here is a mistake. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It becomes like this. By doing this, it becomes x2 minus what? X2 minus x, by multiplying both sides by this minus sign. Sorry, this है, इसलिए y minus y2 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x2 minus x. So it becomes x minus x2. This is as same as this equation, but here is a mistake. It is y1 and this is x1. We can replace y2, and here may no any problem come if we change this and this by y1. So y on the both side, so y minus y1 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1 is the required equivalent. We can use this both equation, this both formula to find out the equation. Thus, the uh, the equation of the line passing through the 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 each y minus y1 into equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, or y minus y1 by y minus y2 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. Each proved Q. We can here also write right y minus y2 equals to x2 minus x1 we can here also write y minus y1 x2 minus x1 sorry oh, y minus y2 equals to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x2. Thank you.